Use already made pipeline templates. Instead of building every pipeline from scratch, you can get them for free from the TaxDome Marketplace and then edit them to suit your needs. You can do this by going to the Templates section, Marketplace, and clicking the Pipelines button. Here you'll find the list of all our different pipelines. You just need to click on the white button on the far right to get it. You have both free and for a fee options. We will select the 1065 Partnership Income Tax Return for this example. You will also want to check or edit those templates to ensure they suit your needs. To find them, go to your Templates section, then the Pipelines page. Here you can see the pipeline we've just downloaded. Just keep in mind that when you install a pipeline, you also copy all of the templates that are used for its automations. This means that you'll have new email, task, organizer, and other templates. As a note, any copied task templates don't have a task assignee listed, so you'll want to add one for yourself. Email templates will need you to pick a sender. Emails and other templates like proposals might have blank fields left where you're supposed to enter some firm information, or you'll want to customize the used shortcodes. So once you make any needed changes to your templates, you can freely customize the pipeline as well. And overall, using a pre-made template will save you time, even if you count the time spent editing the templates.